You need to figure out where to start your business, what jurisdiction, whether it's mainland or free zone. You cannot go for a product or trade in a product because it's popular.
Expert guidance can always save you time and avoid mistakes.
Because you don't want any surprises later.
Dubai is buzzing with business. And honestly, it's one of the best places you can start a trading company. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I am going to break it down to you step by step so that you can actually understand how to conduct your business and start connecting with clients all across the UAE and beyond.
Step 1. Figure out what you want to trade in. Now, Dubai has licenses for pretty much anything. Now, it could be clothes, it could be electronics, it could be industrial goods, you name it. Now, it's really important for you to understand that you cannot go for a product or trade in a product because it's popular. You should go for something that you care about, something that people actually need, and something that you could potentially grow in. Now, I've seen people go for really niche products, for example, eco-friendly snacks, and now they're supplying all across, I would say pretty much 80% of the stores in the UAE. Step 2. You need to figure out where to start your business, what jurisdiction, whether it's mainland or free zone. Now, with mainland, you can technically sell anywhere in the UAE market, but at times you need a local partner. Whereas in free zone, you would be enjoying the benefit of having 100% ownership and certain tax benefits. However, you cannot sell directly to the UAE market without a local distributor. So it completely depends on what your long-term plan is and how you would want to proceed with it. Step 3. Now here comes the paperwork. Now I know nobody likes paperwork. However, in Dubai, it's pretty straightforward. So all you need is your visa, your passport, a business plan, and an office lease. And with these documents, you can get your trade license in a span of 5 to 7 working days. That's basically a permission slip to start trading legally. Quick tip though, make sure your license mentions exactly what you want to trade because you don't want any surprises later. Step 4. Opening up a bank account. Sounds pretty boring, right? But it's really important. All your payments from suppliers and clients are going to go through here. Dubai has different banks that provide business packages. Now, it's really up to you on which package it is that you go for. Now, this basically makes your process way smoother and way more efficient. And finally, start trading. Import, export, and sell locally. Now, trading isn't just about the product, it's about people. Suppliers, clients, and partners, they make your business. Go to events, meet new people, build your network, and always focus on providing value. Your network can literally make or break your business. Starting a trading business in Dubai might seem big, but if you follow these simple steps, it's easily achievable. Now remember, expert guidance can always save you time and avoid mistakes. Paramount Zone is here to guide you through every step, helping you choose your license, registering your company, and start trading smoothly so that you can focus on growing your business. Contact us today and get started.